Dear students, hope you all are fine by the grace of the Almighty. I am also fine today. Here I am Mohammad Saiful Islam, one of the lecturers in the Department of English, Milestone College. Milestone is one of the leading colleges in the country. Every year, Milestone achieves a very good result. Students, the teachers of Milestone College are also very caring. We are continuing our online education and you are enjoying the classes. Today, I will teach you English first paper, Unit 12, Lesson 2, and the name of the lesson is Hakaluki Haor. Hakaluki Haor is a vast water resource of Bangladesh. Students, firstly, I will read through the passage and I will make you understand the topic. Students, from your English for today, MCQ question answer, and flowchart and also fill in the blanks may come. So let's go to read the passage. My dear students, today we will learn English first paper, Unit 12, Lesson 2, Hakaluki Haor. Let's start our lesson. Hakaluki Haor is an important source of fisheries resources for Bangladesh. Kalibaush, Boal, Rui, Ghagot, Pabda and Chapila are the main fish species found here. From the Kushiara, there are frequent upstream movement of fish towards the bills and tributaries of Hakaluki. Students, here you see some important vocabulary. The word important means significant, resources, wells, tributary river. In fact, Hakaluki is in the district of Moulvibazar and it is a vast water resource of Bangladesh, and many species of fish are available here. Now let's go to another sentences. The bills in Hakaluki Haor provide winter shelter for the mother fisheries. In early monsoon, these mother fisheries produce millions of fries for the entire downstream fishing communities. Floodplains are also an important source of fisheries resources within the area. Here, some important vocabulary: provide, supply, produce, generate, community, society. In fact, in the monsoon, Hakaluki becomes a vast water source of Bangladesh, and in winter, actually, the Haor becomes the shelter for mother fisheries, and these mother fisheries produce millions of fries. It means fish every year. So Hakaluki is very important Haor for Bangladesh. Now let's go to another sentences. However, many of the bills have lost their capacity to provide shelter for mother fisheries because of sand deposits from upstream rivers and canals, use of complete dewatering technique for fishing, and lack of aquatic plants to provide feed and shelter for parent fish. Students, there are some important vocabulary for you here: capacity, capability, deposit, credit, aquatic, waterborne. In fact, Hakaluki Haor has lost its capacity to provide shelter for mother fisheries, and the Haor is now dying because of sand deposit and also for dewatering techniques for fishing and lack of aquatic plants. Aquatic means watery. The lack of aquatic plants, fish cannot get their proper foods. So students, from this lesson you will have MCQ or question answer, and also this lesson can come in your fill in the blanks with clue or without clue. So if you study your EFT, it means English for today, you can enrich your vocabulary level, and if you use the vocabulary in the sentence, your language skill will be developed. Students, I hope you understood my lecture today. By this way, if you read through your English first paper, it means EFT, you will be able to answer MCQ, question answer, flowchart, and also fill in the blanks. So if you have any further question, you can contact me. I will discuss then. So my lecture is finished today. Allah.